How to delete Facebook account. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to delete Facebook account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook right here and then click on these three lines right here. Now once you're in there, just click on this gear icon right here. So let's click on that. And once you have clicked on that, you can see in here your Meta Account Center. So click on that and it will direct you to the Meta Accounts page. So from in here you can see a lot of settings. So let's try to click on this your information and permissions. So as you can see your search history and also upload contacts. But if you want to delete your account, you can click on personal details right here and just click on this account ownership and control. So in here you can see this deactivation and deletion. So click on that and from in there you can just choose your Facebook account and click on this delete account right here. Click on continue, and after that, as you can see, your page will also be deleted. So click on continue again, and from in here you can just choose anything like this and click on continue, and then after that you can click on continue here again, and then from in there you can just scroll down until you can see this continue button again. And then after you have done that, you just need to put in your password, and then after that your account will be deleted, but you have 30 days to retrieve that if you change your mind. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete Facebook account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.